This video will demonstrate the procedures to replace the window in a Lippert Components RV entry door with the Lippert thin shade with a snap-together window frame. In order to do so effectively, you will need the following resources: 2 people, and a Phillips screwdriver if removing a screw-type window. To remove an existing screw-type window, follow these steps. Remove the 16 Phillips head screws from the interior window frame. Support the window glass on the interior side to prevent the glass from falling inward, and then pull away the interior frame. It is recommended that you have a second person to assist during the removal of the interior frame. Then, remove the exterior frame and glass. If you are removing an existing snap-in window first, slide the 16 release tools into the 16 slots around the outside perimeter of the interior window frame. Note that there are grooves on the bottom of the tools that fit into the ribs of the frame, and the tool opens the frame's catch feature. Now support the window glass on the interior side to prevent the glass from falling inward, and then pull away the interior frame. A second person is recommended to help during the removal of the interior frame. Then remove the exterior frame and glass. Finally, remove the release tools from the interior frame. First, place the new outer frame with glass against the exterior of the door. Make sure that the frame seal is positioned properly against the door. While one person holds the exterior frame and glass against the door, the other person snaps the interior frame into the exterior frame. Make sure that all 16 locking points click into place. First, unlatch the small levers at the top of the window frame by pushing them in a left to right direction. Then, unlatch the levers at the bottom of the frame in a right to left direction. Holding the top rail at an approximately 45-degree angle, insert one end into the corner between the inner frame and the glass. Repeat this on the opposite end of the top rail. Now at the top, press both ends up and latch into place by moving the levers in a right to left direction. Next, holding the bottom rail at an approximate 45-degree angle, insert one end into the corner between the interior and outer frame. Do the same at the other end of the bottom rail. Finally, press both ends of the bottom rail down and latch in place, moving the levers in a left to right direction. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert Components Customer Service at 574-537-8900 or support@support.lci1.com. or email to customerservice@lci1.com. Be sure to download the My LCI app. Thanks for watching.